AI stocks to buy in 2023. They are AI stock, S stock, SOUN stock, and the best performing of all of them is easily AI stock. That is C3.ai Inc. Since the last time we covered this stock, it was trading around, let's say, $22 or thereabout. $22 thereabout. You can see today is now at $33.87, and today as well, the 4th of April 12th of April 2023, the price reached a new 52-week high of $34.68. This exceeded the previous high of $33.57 by $1.11, and it is at 241.34% above the 52-week low of $10.16. So the stock is easily rallying within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. About a week ago, the Financial Times placed the stock on its fastest growing companies list, and it says this is the third consecutive year that this company is on this list. So this, without any doubt, is a stock to buy. Maybe not now, maybe this may not be the best time to buy it after rallying to this sort of level. You see, as of Tuesday, the day as of the 29th, the day after that news came out, the stock has been rallying and relentlessly. That is 29th, 30th, 31, and today the 3rd. So this is 4 consecutive days of rallying. So there's a good chance it's going to cool off a bit. And if you want to get involved, we should also endeavor to get involved in the stock ourselves. So it's easily a very good stock to buy. And if it retraces, if it pulls back, you also maybe average down. So if you're going to trade it, just ensure you have some more funds at the sidelines to always average down and balance yourself out and other stuff. So we have Fibonacci projections here. We had indeed in the last video we had some projections there, so you can always have a look and see what the projections were. Then we don't exactly have those off head. So currently now the upper projection, or rather the upper projection it has at the moment is 36 on the daily chart, 36.53, and we have 40.91, and then we have 53.80. Who knows what it's going to be come the next 2 months, because the last time we covered the stock was about 2 months ago. So let's even look at maybe the 5-minute chart and see what projections are. The 5-minute chart, we have projections towards $37.27. Okay, so let's quickly return to the daily chart and pick up the next stock in this series. The next 3 stocks, they're not as fantastic as AI, but they also present a good buying opportunity for those who feel that AI stock or C3.ai has become is getting a bit too expensive. SentinelOne is one of them, gained 0.67% on average volume. All these other ones we are going to cover now, that is SentinelOne, SoundHound, and BBAI, all of them are consolidating within a longer term downtrend. Okay, so let's see what the projection for SentinelOne is. Let's see. SentinelOne, let's see what the projection is. This is its daily chart. Okay, we have a projection from where it is right now. At the next projection for where it is right now is $16.97. 16.97. The next one is 17.91. Next one is 20.83. So all the other ones are still below $25. I believe it's only AI that has escaped that bracket, and it's now trading in the pursuing $40 or thereabout, pursuing $35 and towards $40. So let's remind ourselves again, a projection on a daily chart towards $20.83 for SentinelOne, that is S stock. So the next one is SoundHound, SOUN, SoundHound. Let's come back to Charles Schwab and see what we can find about it. SoundHound. SoundHound AI. Just like a stock, it is consolidating within a longer term downtrend, and there were a couple of events that happened today. The price crossed above its 50-day moving average and also its 200-day moving average, and on Friday as well that was also the case. It crossed above the price also crossed above those two averages, so yes, it's consolidating, appears to be consolidating within a longer term downtrend, but it's also lagging the S&P 500. Yes, but it is much cheaper than AI, and indeed SentinelOne trading at $3.21 on above average volume of 48.5 million shares. That's what crossed the tape today, gained 16.3%. I believe largely down to the fact that it is amongst other things, it's still pretty much a much cheaper stock. So let's see its short interest. Let's see the short interest on SOUN. Let's see what short interest is on SOUN. 6.84. There isn't a huge amount of skepticism towards the stock. So we have a downward projection of 2.55 and 1.58, upper projection of $3.6, $4.08, $4.75, $5.62, and $8.10. So yes, those are projections for SoundHound. Not exactly that fantastic, lagging the S&P 500. But today, the 3rd of April, the volume was above average. You can see that here. This is above average volume. What would that signify? Would that signify that it's going to consolidate further? Let's even see. Is this let's see, this is the third of okay, so this is the 30th, so this is the second consecutive day of rallying of gains for SoundHound. Okay, let's move on to BBAI. BBAI is also consolidating, much cheaper as well, $3.13, gain 28.28% on above average volume of 37.9 million shares, above average for today, the 3rd of April. It appears to be consolidating within a longer term downtrend. It's also lagging the S&P 500 as well. And today the price also crossed above its 50-day moving average and its 200-day moving average. Let's see whether there's any news concerning SoundHound BigBear.ai. Okay, let's okay, there isn't anyone on the surface there. There might be some news out there, but we're not digging into those. So BBAI, let's see, BBAI. Okay, so it has come off trying to, do we dare to say that it's trying to challenge this $6.17 resistance it had as of the 6th of February. That was around the time we covered this stock last time, so let's see, it has a downward projection just slightly below where it is, which is the first one is $3.33. The next one after that is 1.49. But upper projections, we have upper projections of 3.9, 4.63, 5.35, 6.4, 7.71, and get this, 11.54. BBAI Inc. Yeah, so let's even see what the skepticism towards the stock is. BBAI. BBAI Inc. It doesn't look like it's going to be a lot. 12.64. Okay, much better, much significant, much better than much better than that of a SoundHound. So let's even see what the rally has been of late. Let's see what the rally has been of late. It has been rallying since let's get it, since the 20th of April. It has just, okay, since the 21st of April, it has just been rallying. It was only of late that it took it to a high. It was only of Friday the 31st that it took it up a notch. Took it up. It went the angle of attack went very, very steep. You can see that, a very steep angle of attack here. Now broke above its 10 and 20-day moving averages. So indeed, at some point, expect the stock to maybe consolidate again, and but if you can't wait for that to happen, if you're now convinced that this is it, there's no time to waste, always leave funds on the sidelines to average down, to balance things out. So BBAI Holdings Inc. showing strength, but rallying within or rallied within a longer term downtrend, even though on a broader scale it is consolidating. So AI stocks to buy in 2023 below $35. AI stock, SOUN stock, S stock, and BBAI. See what you make of them, and thank you very much for watching this video.